Okay, notice this is the LED screen, and this LED screen this is the old CCFL screen. This is the old CCFL screen, and the CCFL screen has 2-pin connector. I'm removing this. Now I'm hooking up this LED screen. So the trickiest part is make the connection to the cable, converter cable. This converter cable has 2 points. One is number 1, this is number 2. For HP G60 you need to hook up directly to this. This is the, see, there is 2 connections. One is the normal plane and the one is the cable side. You need to connect to the cable side. So this is the connection I am making, and now this is the first connection which is coming from the motherboard. I am not removing this cable, I am not removing this. This one directly connects to this, so do not touch this one. So now make the connection to this one. So this one, see, the yellow side directly connected to here. This is already pre-connected, so you don't need to do anything, but just in case I am just explaining you. So now see this one. Okay, now okay, so now this is all connected, and now let us power it on. Okay, we now started the laptop again.